You are a loving person with a heavenly humble heart. You are a good person. We can see it through your actions.
Hey cracks, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is my everyday makeup routine. This is a very clean, basic, POC, black woman friendly tutorial. Yes girl, I said tutorial because I know what I'm doing now. I can do what I got to do. I've been watching Arnell and Alyssa. I know what to do. I be watching Jackie. I know what to do, y'all. So like, I'm not trying to lead y'all astray. I'm not trying to hoodwink y'all. I'm not trying to do none of that. None of that. But anyways, roll the intro.
Running away, it's the living that's hard.
Okay, so first things first, you gotta like wipe your face down. I do not wash my face in the morning. Either I use my Burt's Bees sensitive skin toner, or I just use a wet cloth and just wipe my face. Like, the more I wash my skin, the more my skin dries out. I have very dry skin, so like I don't really need to double wash every day, especially because most days I don't wear makeup. I know this is my everyday makeup look, but this is like the makeup I wear from filming. Like, I don't wear makeup anymore like that. So the title was misleading, but I digress. Anyways, I don't wash my face in the morning. I extra clean at night. Like, I double cleanse and everything at night, but not in the morning, because I put all those serums, all those products on my skin at night, and I really want them to seep in and do what it got to do the cellular regeneration. I don't know what they be doing, but those serums be doing what they got to do. Those serums be doing what it got to do, and I don't want to wash off they work in the morning. I either use Lubriderm. Okay, this is for sensitive skin. Lubriderm is great. I also use the Cetaphil. Don't have it with me right now for some reason. I use the Cetaphil daily moisturizer one too, because I use my hard-hitting moisturizers at night, but I just use the regular sensitive skin one. Even though it say that it's fragrance free, it do have another twang to it. Okay, so this is the one. I hear really good reviews on it, like a good amount. And then I mix it with my V now. Okay, this is SPF 70. It's a PLC friendly. Yes and no. I don't know. I just rub my stuff in really good. It does have a film on it, but you cover up with makeup, so it's like it kind of evens out. So I don't know. Don't use vitamin C and retinol on the same night. I heard they cancel out, so don't do that. I looked it up on one article and I just trusted that article, so I don't know. Do your own research. Next, okay, it's my favorite part. It's time for brows. This is making me feel very, oh my gosh, are my teeth that bucked? Are my teeth that bucked? Are my lips really that big? My skin actually look really good compared to what it looked like a month ago. My skin looks amazing compared to that moment in time. But I'm gonna show you why I did my skin to get it back to how it's looking now. Yeah, there's like a few dark spots, but like, that's gonna go away soon. Like, I'm not tripping over that. Okay, so first I get this e.l.f. Y'all already know. If y'all watch one of my makeup videos, you know what to do. You know what's up. So first I'm gonna use this powder. Okay, that's a good base, kind of. This brow always eats. This one don't. They be starving, malnourished. Yeah. I saw some sunscreen flakes. If you ever like wear sunscreen in your face, you know sometimes it like flakes up, like edge control. If you ever see that happen, just put some more moisturizer. That means your skin is too dry. Actually, that's not what that means. It probably means it's a bad sunscreen, low key. But I just made that up. Now I look dumb. Okay, I need more powder for that area. Y'all can't really see on camera, but like the front looks stupid. Not to be self-deprecating, but it doesn't look right at all. Okay, so when my brows start looking like this, it's time to start cutting. Next, I want to use this Maybelline BB Fresh BB cream. It's basically a tinted sunscreen. Yeah, more sunscreen. What do you expect? We rebuilding our skin barrier. Just like a good amount.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa, I'm a material girl.
My under eye concealer. Oh wait, this one's dry. Don't need that one. Blush really adds dimension to your face, because I'm not really a contour girl. I don't really like contouring. I'm more of a blushy girl. A blushy girl. A Doja Cat. You know? Don't ask me what brush I'm using, because I do not know. It's e.l.f. Oh, should it say it on here? Ultimate Blending. It's e.l.f. Ultimate Blending. So always like blend up, but like kind of like the apples of your cheeks, but like upward, like your cheekbones. Apparently I have high cheekbones, so I just kind of follow my cheekbones, and yeah, that's where I put my blush. Like a little bit of powder, not too much, not too little, whatever. Just one good brush, like one good brush on your skin, and you're like good. Like this is just for like setting, especially on your forehead. But this isn't setting powder. This is literally a Fit Me foundation powder. You could use setting powder. Every time I put on setting powder, I look like a ghost. So okay, next I'm going to use the Eos, because lip care is just as important as other care. This Eos Organic Lip Balm. Okay, I have two different setting sprays, or really I have three. I have this e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine up to 16 wear. And then I have this Marda's Best Skills facial spray. It's not really a setting spray, but it has rose water in it and aloe. I think aloe. Yeah, and aloe. And I feel like that's, even though it has a bad rep, I love rose water. Rose water is literally the best thing that you can put on your face. All the Latinos know about it. So I'm not sure if I should tell their secrets, but rose water is where it's at. Rose water is where it's at. Last step is put on this L'Oreal mascara thing. It's called Age Perfect. I don't know really what that means, but I heard it has conditioner in this mascara, so it conditions your lashes while it's making them look good. So let me put this on. Okay, let's insert the before and the after. Okay. This is my clean makeup routine. I hope it's like focused so y'all can actually see like, oh, it's still dry a little bit with a few wet spots, but like y'all can see like this is how you get a clean, POC friendly makeup look. Very simple, very easy. I mean, all you need is BB cream, concealer. Blush is optional. I just like blush because it adds some more dimension to my face. Yeah. Just really, the girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't. I don't know what else to say. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed my video. Okay, bye.
Instead of complaining about anything, learn to be thankful for everything. Hashtag speaking from the heart. B. Fletcher.